Are there...
Orion, what's in that pumpkin?
Halloween?
Halloween's in there? Are you giving it a hug? Give it a kiss.
It's a big pumpkin.
Give it a hug and a kiss.
Do you need help?
He's got it.
Got it. Look at that, looks like you with a pumpkin head.
Be careful. What's inside the pumpkin? Halloween. Oh, this.
Look at Dad. What are you doing? Did you pick out a pumpkin? Which one do you want?
Be careful.
Don't fall. That's the big one over there. You think Dad can pick it up? No.
It's big. Is it bigger than Orion?
Right now. That apple is like instant sugar.
Yeah. Yep, that's exactly what happened. Orion.
You want to carve a pumpkin? Carve a pumpkin? You got to pick a pumpkin out though.
What's the pumpkin's name?
My head. There's my head. That's my mouse.
Where's your eyes?
Right there.
That's your eyes?
That's my eye.
Or your nose?
Right there. That's my nose. That's your nose.
This is my nose.
Where's her nose?
Right there.
Right there.
Where's her eyes? Where's Lindsay's eyes? You are such a character. What are you doing? I'm gonna tickle you.
What are you doing?
This is hilarious. Is it windy? Hey, don't step on the pumpkins.
Hey, you can't step on them. You'll break them.